Alright, welcome to my channel, guys, and today we are going to talk about one of the best application for your iPhone and the Samsung. So whatever the phone you are using, this application is available, and this application will help you to post longer videos on your WhatsApp status. So you can post right now, I believe it's only 30 seconds that you can post on your WhatsApp status. But after watching this video, you will be able to post up to 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes, or up to hour long video on your WhatsApp status. Now, before we get into this application and before I show you guys everything, please let me ask you guys to subscribe to my channel and also smash that bell icon so you guys get notified when I drop a next video related to this topic. Now, that's been said, let's get into this video and let me show you guys. So as we can see right here, I got the iPhone 15 Pro Max I'm using, and so this is my iPhone 15 Pro Max. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to unlock my phone. And now the application that you need to download from the App Store or the Google Play Store is going to be this one right here. It's called Video Splitter right there. The last this application right here, Video Splitter. Now you can go to App Store, or you can go to the Google Play Store and search for this, and you should be able to find it. Once you find it, download it, and once you download it, you can open up. And this is the interface look like for this application. It's blank page, as we can see right here. So right in the middle, it says tap here to add a video for splitting, and right in the bottom, made with love by this person, whatever. And then once you open up and I'll come to this screen right here, what do you want to do? You want to tap where it says tap here, and then it will take you to your photo library. And once you go to your photo library, and I'm gonna pick one of this video right here, and that is the 13 minutes and 51 seconds. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on that, and as we can see, the choose video right here. So this is the video, and what you want to do from here, right in the bottom, you got the cancel button, and then the play button, and then you have the choose button. So you can play and make sure you got the right video, and you want to hit on the choose button right here on the right bottom right corner. And as we can see, composing video right here, it shouldn't take that long. It's over 10 minutes video, but as we can see, it's already done. And now it says right here, make 30-second split. So we're gonna hit this green button right here in the bottom, and just wait for a second. As we can see, exporting, and before you know it, we should have pop-up. And once you have that pop-up, you should be good to go. Now right here, when you see this this pop-up right here, explore status, split successfully, and now open photos, or you can hit cancel. So what I do, I just hit cancel, and then what I do, exit out of this application and go back to my photo library right here, and click on the recent. And as we can see right here, so there's 30 seconds and then 30 seconds. So they're gonna make clips of 30 seconds. And then if we look at the last one, the last clip going to be 21 seconds. So now from here, you can open up your WhatsApp. Let me open up my WhatsApp and go to status. And right here, this is the status right here. You want to click on that, click on camera, and then it will take you to your library. right here, and then you can select. So I started from the bottom right here, and what you can do, select one, and then you can just do like this. You put finger on one video and just keep scrolling up, as you can see right there, and then you want to hit next, and there you go, all your videos right here, all of that as one shot. So what do you want to do? You want to hit this arrow, and as we can see, preparing. So I'm not going to post this on my status right now. So that's how you post a longer video on your WhatsApp status. And also what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link to this app in the description below, so you can easily go to that link, and then from there you can download on your iPhone or your Google Play Store. And if you have any question or concern, please don't hesitate to ask me in the comments below. I'll be happy to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.